I just bought these because my other ones are fucked. My studio's taken down at the minute because I'm getting works done. So before I send out my sheet, you know, I want it to be sounding crispy, you know what I mean? I'm a bit of a perfectionist, but I'm trying not to spend too long on these projects. So these are the Sony MDR ZX310. So it's light, certain quick. There's gonna be some next ones that I'm gonna wanna invest in. But these are something quick, and it's something quick, something light. The price is quite nice as well. Under $50, 50 bucks, 50 pounds, 50 shillings, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I'm hyped. I've been sleeping light just for these to drop. I'm very tired. I had a long shift yesterday, so we'll see what I go on with these. Okay, certain light. Okay guys, these are so cute, like super cute. They're perfect for when I want to go jogging and when I want to listen to clippets and mixes on the go. They're so light as well. They're foldable so they won't get broken. Just to shove in my bag on some shit and some disrespectful shit. But they're Sony is a reputable audio visual manufacturer, so yeah, I'm happy, I'm pumped, I'm hyped in it. It's like day 3 or day 2 of quarantine or something like that. In England right now, in the west of England right now, and you know the quarantines, it's not as heavy right now. You know, we're still out. I'm still making money. I still got some shifts in. I'm still out here. I'm sitting in the sun and like it's been good weather for the last couple of days. The quarantine started on the 23rd, so, and it's also 2020, a leap year, so I'm really excited for this year, and just a lot of love and blessings to you, and I hope that you accomplish what you aim to accomplish this year. So yeah, I'm about to fuck around with these, and thank you for watching. They're really cute.